In this video, I'll guide you through how to log calls in HubSpot. If you're using HubSpot to manage your contacts, companies, or deals, knowing how to log calls can be incredibly beneficial for keeping track of your communications. Logging calls ensures that your interactions are documented, allowing you to reference past conversations effortlessly and keep your entire team in the loop. So let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to a specific contact, company, or deal record within HubSpot. This is your starting point, and it's where you'll be logging the call details. Once you have the relevant record open, look to the left sidebar. There, you will find a series of icons. What you're looking for is the log call icon, which is represented by a telephone with a plus sign. Clicking on this icon will open up a form where you can input all the necessary information about your call. Now let's talk about the details you need to fill in. First, you'll see a section labeled Call Outcome. This is where you can indicate how the call went. HubSpot provides you with a few default options to choose from, such as connected, busy, or left voicemail. Selecting the appropriate call outcome helps maintain accurate records of your interactions and gives you quick insights into the effectiveness of your outreach. Next, you'll encounter the call type field. This is where you can label the type of call you made. Common examples include discovery, research, update, or closing. Picking the right label here will help categorize your calls, making it easier to track different types of interactions over time. It's a small step that adds a lot of value when you're reviewing your call history or reporting on your activities. Finally, you'll see a notes section. This is your opportunity to type a summary of the call. It's where you can jot down any important points discussed, decisions made, or action items that came out of your conversation. Being thorough with your notes ensures that you or anyone else accessing the record later have a clear understanding of what was discussed. It's a great habit to get into, especially when calls are frequent and details can easily be forgotten. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively log your calls in HubSpot, ensuring that all your communications are well documented and easily accessible. Remember, keeping detailed records is not just about organization, it's about building a comprehensive history of your interactions that can drive better decision making and improve collaboration across your team. So the next time you finish a call, take a moment to log it in HubSpot using these steps, and you'll be on your way to more organized and efficient communication management. Thank you for watching and happy logging.